Here we are, day 8. Not a whole lot to see here. Just lots of forklifting, lots of pallets.
I just want to do a little bit of voiceover and kind of talk about what I'm doing. Right now I'm dropping some of these speakers down and starting to bring in some of my boneyard. We have an unbelievable amount of racks going into this place. Some of them I already owned, some of them I have to buy brand new again. I even got these little attachments that go on the side of the racks that will turn these into wire racks.
More beams, more stairs. More boneyard shit. I mean, more SMDs. Got my Garmin Audio 12s. Oh, the 10s, my Garmin 10s.
It's crazy how quickly these racks can add up. I'm spending about $25,000 on new racks, and I probably owned $30,000 worth of them already. But sometimes you have to do things that are out of your comfort zone if you want to commit yourself to your business. We already produce and stock a lot of brands, but the goal here is to have a lot more brands that we were drop shipping actually in stock.
Day 21. More racking. I've been here every day this week. I just didn't film it every time. But we got more pro deck, we got more beams, and we're back at Rackman again. I'm getting tired of racks, so it's gotta be done. Yeah, it's like the van's got hydraulics. Yeah, I think. I don't know. I'm not watching. Yep. Another 25 hundo. Just like that. Gone just like that. Rise. You have fun, Ross? You like the new shop? More pallet racks going up. See where we're at so far. Had to buy more beams, ran out. B2 audio getting ready to go up on the shelf. Packing materials.
You have uprights, you have beams, 2 per shelf, and you've got decking for days. I'm telling you, this adds up so fast, and that's just the parts. That doesn't include the actual labor. I'm actually paying people to help me put this stuff together, including myself. If you watch the previous video, you see in the other area we have 12-foot beams with 10-foot by 4-foot wide uprights for over 140 feet. So it's getting real quick. In the meantime, during all this, I went ahead and picked up a 15 horsepower Quincy compressor. This is a rotary, so it should be real quiet and also put out a massive amount of continuous air.
I need to take some videos so I have something to drool over all weekend while I wait to figure out. Maybe I end up coming and get it today, I don't know. But probably Monday. Well, it's time to start thinking about putting some of this stuff away now that I got a bunch of shelves up. But as you can see, my boneyard is deep. It's gonna be a while.
Last week I did spend a little bit of time live streaming some of this boneyard stuff, and we talked about some of the move as well in that video. So if you want to go over to my main channel and hit the live tab, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
Still hear the crickets chirping over there. $5 a.m. Actually 4:45 on a Sunday. We're getting it in. We got a lot of stuff to do. Yeah. Welcome home, baby. Yeah. Grab the forklift, let's pluck it out of here. Looks like a good spot right over there. Yep. Day 26. Yeah. Day 28 of the move. Loaded up.
About center? Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of boring stuff, but it's all part of the job. Oh, it don't look like a lot's been done, but it has. Hey, slings for the win. I'm telling you, the sprinter is the true champ. The true hero of the story.
Another 8-foot by 12-foot tall shelf that needs to be busted down.
Sometimes the shelf was going away like the dodo bird.
Dear thing. He has such a gentle touch.
Well, let's go. Another 29. This big shelf is gone. There it is there. Just gotta pull this one down and we'll be done with pallet racks. Look at that. Still looks like the same shop to you guys out there, but not in here. All the racks are gone. Trying to work our way to the machines. They're gonna go last. And all these shelves are gone. On the back shelf. May not look like a lot of progress, but it is, and it's tiring. Ain't had a day off in August. Yep, day 29 vibes.
I actually already have a set of these stairs at the old shop, but I wanted a second pair since now the shop is doubled in size. Of course, I also got these from Rackman. I'm telling you, they have everything over there. The best.
Day 32. Labor Day. Ain't no Labor Day. No days off until this shit's done. One month down, 1 to 1.5 to go, maybe even 2.
Time to start thinking about breaking these down. I got the perfect spot at the shop in my new office for these.
Yep, day 33, 34.
Time to get my beloved lift moved from my old shop over to my new one. I've had this thing since probably the first week or so, me having this old shop.
I didn't even know the arms came off like that. I owned this thing 15 years. I didn't even know the arms just came off with that little pin right there. drop the bus down every day. This is the last big shelf though. So I just left for just a few minutes to go pick up some materials, and I come back and the lift is already down and getting loaded up. Wow. I've had a lift in here for 15 years. It feels naked without it being in here. God dang. It's all right. It's going to love its new home. My lift in front of me. There we are at the new shop. Got the new spot. These guys are good. These guys are pros, man. Yeah, getting my baby back. Got my baby back already. That pillar over there, over here, somewhere over here, maybe along the top. And then there's the box right here. That's official. My baby's back. All done. Might look like the same old thing, but today is September 3rd. This is the 34th day. And it's just non-stop. Tomorrow morning, compressor's getting hooked up. That's where we're at. These are small victories, but I'll take them.